Sayang, 老婆, my wife's not here. My phone's not here. Of course, honey.
Very big house.
Macha, you handsome lah you. How are you guys? I'm fine, thanks. Come on, make yourself comfortable. Hey, what is this?
Aiya, we're all single and available ma.
Like you, man, married already.
Hey, come, let's play.
Eh, bro, you know who's Chan ah?
Who?
Nanti kasih chance tau.
Aiya, no problem one lah. This one very easy lah. Anyone can play.
Yeah. You always say only lah. And then end up I sure lose one.
Okay, I give you a lot of chance, huh?
We will see lah, we will see. Eh, bro, come on lah, bro. 6-0, 7-0. Aduh, day. Bro, you never kasih chance at all,
You
way.
did say that.
Aiya, guys, don't hate the player. Hate the game.
Yeah. You know what? I need to go toilet.
Okay. See you.
You want to play, ah?
Tornado!
Wow, bro, you say you long time never play, but you can score so many goals, man.
Dude, it's not the player, it's the game.
Wow. Video games, I know you're very good lah. But can you play real football or not?
Excuse me?
Bola sepak. Jom.
Alamak.
Wow, really sorry ah.
Hey, no lah, it's okay, man.
What we gonna do, guys?
I've got an idea.
You know what? I got better idea, bro. Just hang on. Auntie, uncle, hi, pakcik. நான் உங்க ஏனைய காட்டு வாங்கலாமா? 请问我可以借你的楼梯吗? Boleh saya pinjam tangga tak? Oh, இல்லையா? Okay, seri. Nanti, auntie. Oh, 没有啊? Okay,谢谢你, uncle. Oh, ada? Okay, cantik. I masuk dalam, pakcik. Guys, look what I found.
You got see how tall the tree is or not?
Dude, even I'm taller than this ladder.
Aduh, kadole.
Don't worry, I think I have an idea.
Hey,
So, are you going to tell me a joke or what?
No.
Who's there?
Nobody.
Nobody who?
Nobody.
Hey, guys. I think I got an idea.
Oi, hurry up lah. You guys damn heavy, way. Ayo.
Wow, Azri, you better stop eating chicken rice already lah.
Sorry, it's the rendang lah. I'm almost there. Hang on. I got it.
Yes, finally. Yes.
Hey, so Sean, do you still want to play?
No lah, so dark already.
Yeah, I'm hungry too.
Hungry, yeah. Let's go makan lah.
Yeah, can lah. We go makan.